Introducing Surgent CPA Review, your fastest path to becoming a CPA. Ready to conquer the CPA exam and unlock your future as a certified public accountant? Look no further than Surgent CPA Review, the ultimate exam prep tool for success. Let's explore why Surgent is the perfect choice for ambitious CPA candidates like you. Surgent CPA Review offers a game-changing exam prep feature, personalized one-on-one private coaching sessions. Get ready for a transformative learning journey like never before. Now picture this, a dedicated instructor tailoring a 10-week study plan to address your weaknesses. Our coaching sessions cater to your individual needs and help create a work-life balance as you prepare for the CPA exam. Say goodbye to endless memorization and overwhelming amounts of data. With Surgent, our industry-leading adaptive technology will maximize your study time to ensure that you're ready for the CPA exam. But that's not all. Surgent CPA Review thrives on three key components for success: adaptive technology, unlimited practice exams, and exceptional instructors. ASAP Technology is Surgent's powerful adaptive learning software that generates a customized study plan based on your strengths and weaknesses. No more wasted time. Surgent helps you prepare for the CPA exam more efficiently than any other provider. Surgent's Ready Score feature is an exam readiness indicator that forecasts your score on the CPA exam with 98% accuracy. Your results are updated in real time and shown as you progress through your studies. Now that means that you'll know exactly when you're ready to conquer the CPA exam. With more than 8,000 multiple choice questions and over 450 task-based simulations, Surgent provides quality content to reduce your study time. Surgent's lectures and readings are designed with your precious time in mind. Bite-sized videos and supplementary reading keep you engaged without feeling overwhelmed. Learn from the industry's best CPA exam prep provider. 3 accomplished professional accountants, including one with a PhD, have crafted this comprehensive CPA review course. We're so confident you'll pass that Surgent offers a 100% pass guarantee. Surgent keeps their content up to date every 3 months to ensure it includes the latest CPA evolution changes. And if you want to get a glimpse of our coaching sessions before making a purchase, join Surgent's free CPA review webinars to get a behind-the-scenes look at how it all works. Thank you for watching. Remember, Surgent CPA Review is your fastest path to success. Embrace personalized coaching, adaptive technology, and learn from the industry's best CPA exam prep provider. Thank you, and good luck on your journey to becoming a CPA. Learn more at surgent.com.